Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it's a quick tutorial on how to remove blemishes or pimples on somebody's face or skin. So I hope you'll enjoy the video and you will stay tuned. I hope you will not skip my video at any point, so that you can get to learn each and everything I will be showing on my screen. So okay, I hope you will get to learn something and you'll enjoy the video. And I'm talking too much. For me, I'm using the Photoshop CC 2015 version, and it's quite good for me because it serves all what I need. So let's get into work and I will show you how to remove blemishes on somebody's face or skin. So yes, let's get into work. Hey guys, the first thing I will do, I will open Photoshop and I will immediately import my photo, which I've saved it on my desktop. So I will import the photo into Photoshop like this, there. Then I will copy it into Photoshop. So the next thing I will do, I will create a layer down here where the pointer is. I will create a new layer and I will name the layer blemishes. And yeah, after doing that, you will go ahead and zoom in so that you can be able to see the blemishes. A sample size should be at point sample. So I will go to the toolbar here at the left up side of my Photoshop screen, at the toolbar, and I will select the eyedropper tool, and I will make sure the sample size to be at point sample, so that I can sample at one point where there is no blemish, and I will paste it at a place where is a blemish so that the blemish can be removed. Select the heel brush tool, which we will use to remove the blemishes, and I will go back. So the thing we do here is click again, Alt plus left click your mouse to sample at a point where there is no blemish. Then you left click on your mouse again where there is a blemish to remove the blemish. Again, I repeat again, you alt click at the same time, you left click at the same time, both at the same time, to sample at a point. Then you remove your hands, then you left click again on your mouse where there is a blemish, and it will automatically be removed. So alt left click to sample, then left click on your mouse again to where there is a blemish, and it will automatically be removed like that. So this process takes a lot of time, but for a good editor you should be having this knowledge, since it is worth it to have this idea in mind as an editor, specifically as a photo editor. So sample, remove a blemish, sample, remove the blemish, sample again, remove the blemish, like that. And quick hint which I can give you, you can go ahead, zoom out by clicking Alt and scroll wheel at the same time to zoom out and zoom in. So in this case I've zoomed out, and I will go back here on the right bottom of my Photoshop screen, and I will go back down here where there's adjustment layer, and I will create an adjustment layer of black and white so that we can be able to see the blemishes more clearly. So what I will do here, I will reduce the reds up to there, and I will reduce also the yellows a bit. Then I will increase all the blues, so that sometimes it helps increasing the blues. And I will go back to the blemishes layer. To remove the blemishes, you must be at the blemishes layer, not at the adjustment layer or background layer. You should be at the blemishes layer so that you can be able to remove the blemishes. So I will go back to my blemishes layer as I've done, and I will zoom in again, and now you can see, and you can be able to see the blemishes where they are, so you can be able to remove them easily. So the same process. Alt plus left click to sample at a point where there is no blemish, then you left click where there's a blemish so that it can be removed by Photoshop. So sample at a point, remove, sample at a point, remove. You sample at a point, remove, sample at a point, then you remove, sample at a point. So the idea here is to know how to sample and how to create your layers, to create the layers. So yes, those are the important thing to know: how to create a layer and how to sample and paste on where there's a blemish. Simple as that. So the thing I will do here, I will fasten up the video since it's time consuming, and I will show you the before and after I've finished editing and removing the blemishes.
Shukisha na nazi, check your vazi kani drip ni drip, flow ni kali, usiketi kwa kiti kuja kwa flow, hatutaki warazi, kudoz pia ilani, kani kushika kashike, nimejipin matos na gesa meleta moods, nimempiga yogurt, sana takuseti, chemsha bongo, buda wecheza na mongo, ama takuliwa manzi, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali. Rage, mimi na kuwa gauge, wanna cheza na wedge, mimi na cheza na check your big gang bang. That's a shame, nigga was flex, but bado niko fit. Ngesa nataka za fair, bro na tuma do, mrona come through. Budo wecheza na rada, kama ni form, kani mangizi, kani keki na nyamu, kwanza nikiwa na gang, yani nikiona gang. Akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali, akili ni mali, ndio ni mali, akili ni mali.
So hey guys, I'm done removing the blemishes. I've been done removing the blemishes. So the next thing I will show you is the before and after. So I will switch off the black and white so that I can show you clearly. So I'm zoomed in right now. So if you want to see the before, you come here to this eye, this layer visibility and of the blemishes, and you switch it, you click it to see the before. So this is the before here, as you can see, where so this is the before and this is the after. Here's the before, after. So I hope you have learned something today, and that's the quick tutorial, and yeah, quite good. Yes. So that has been my quick tutorial on how to remove blemishes on somebody's face or skin. I hope you have learned something today about Photoshop, and you will get subscribed to my channel, and you have enjoyed the video too. So please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, see you on my next video.